Indian Defence Minister A.K. Antony announced on Friday that government has cut down the number of troops in Indian Kashmir. He said India has brought down its 30,000 men considering the significantly decreasing unrest in the region during the past few years. He added India would further reduce it when the situation improves. However, Antony said that the army would retain its special powers as it cannot operate without it. The Armed Forces Special Powers Act gives the army sweeping powers to arrest any suspect and grants the personnel of the defence force considerable immunity from prosecution. Experts say the troops' pullout is seen as a confidence-building measure to get Kashmiri separatists on board for peace talks. However, separatists in Indian-administered Kashmir are skeptical about the defence minister's announcement.
Government of India and the responsible people of India, they are not sincere from last 62 years. We don't observe any troop cut in Kashmir yet. This is a big lie. They are just be fooling international community as well as Kashmiris.
Talking to local media, Mirwais Molvi Umar, a separatist leader, also expressed doubt about the troop drawdown in the region, calling it a mere announcement as, according to him, no one has seen the troops leaving Kashmir. The people of the region say,
removing 30,000 soldiers from our state, I don't think it will have any beneficial effect to we people, as there are lacks of soldiers here. The withdrawal of troops and withdrawal of troops is just theoretical. They don't practice it in a practical shape, and we the people, inhabitants of Kashmir, feel insecure because of troops.
India is believed to have about 500,000 troops deployed in Jammu and Kashmir. Kashmiri separatists have consistently urged New Delhi to pull out its troops, release prisoners and end alleged human rights violation after the Indian government in October offered to resume talks to end a two-decade unrest in the region. Based on reports, violence is now at its lowest in Kashmir since unrest against Indian rule in the region broke out in 1989. But officials say incidents of infiltration of Pakistani militants have increased over the past few months. New Delhi has repeatedly accused Islamabad of fueling the situation in the parts of Kashmir it administers, but Pakistan denies this. The violence has left more than 45,000 people dead over the past 2 decades, according to official records. However, human rights groups put the toll double the official figures. The Indian-administered Kashmir is one of the most militarized zones in the world, and it has taken India more than 1 decade to announce its biggest troop drawdown from the region. However, it seems like a distinct dream for the people to see the region completely demilitarized. Shahanabad, PressTV, Indian-administered